Sign in with Google account. Unable to log in. There was an error during login. Please try again. When I sign in with Facebook, the same error occurs. Unable to log in. There was an error during login. Please try again. Solution: go to date and time settings. Enable set time automatically. Now error fixed. Solution 2. Go to settings, apps, all apps, search for Adobe Scan app, go to storage and cache, clear cache. Solution 3. Go to Play Store, update Adobe Scan app. Try all these solutions. Error will be fixed. Subscribe.